Okay, question 1c, you have dy dx equal to y x plus y divided by x squared. So dy dx is v plus x dv dx. Okay, y is vx, so x, y is vx, so divided by x squared. Okay, you may, okay, v x squared plus v squared x squared divided by x squared. So if you cancel out all the x squared, you have v plus v squared. Okay, remember, this is actually v plus x dv dx. So the v left side, right side cancel out. Then you have the x dv dx equal to v squared. So this v squared over 1. So dv over v squared equal to dx over x. And then you integrate both hand side. So this is integrate v power negative 2 dv. Integrate 1 over x is ln x. Okay, I can put plus ln c. So for integrations, power negative 2, you plus 1. So become negative 2 plus 1 become v power negative 1 divide by the increased k power, which is negative 1. Then you have a negative v power negative 1 equal to ln cx. Okay. And then you have negative v power negative 1 is negative 1 over v equal to ln cx. Okay, replace back v is actually y over x equal to ln cx. Okay, so this will become negative x over y equal to ln cx. Okay, and then you want y. So y, replace it will be y equal to, then you cross it, cross multiplication. So y become negative x over ln cx. Check. Okay, so the question 1c done. So 1D, we do it. 1D. Safika.